There are tools, and then there are tools you trust when things get personal. Down there, there's no room for guesswork, no second chances. One wrong move and you're wincing for the next 3 days. That's why choosing the right pubic hair trimmer isn't just about getting clean lines or a close finish, it's about safety, comfort, and total control in your most sensitive zone. Whether you're grooming for a big night, prepping for summer, or just keeping things neat, your trimmer should feel like a reliable extension of your hand, precise, gentle, and ready for anything. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the 7 best pubic hair trimmers for men, not just by spec sheets but by actual value and functionality. All product links are in the description below. Check them out if one stands out for you. Let's dive in. We're kicking things off with a powerhouse, the Manscaped Lawn Mower 5.0. This is easily one of the most advanced groin trimmers available right now. It features a dual head design, so you get a ceramic trimmer for everyday use and a foil blade when you want a skin-smooth, almost razor-like finish. That versatility is huge, especially for guys who alternate between clean shaving and light trimming. It also includes skin-safe technology, which reduces nicks and irritation, a dual-temp LED light, and IPX7 waterproofing for both wet and dry use. The USB-C charging and wireless dock make it convenient to recharge, and the battery lasts around 60 minutes. Performance-wise, it's incredibly smooth. The foil blade gives you that polished finish without razor burn, and the guards give you flexibility from short stubble up to 12 millimeters. Downsides? It's on the pricier side, and while it can be used in the shower, you'll get better closeness when trimming dry. Guard swapping could also be more intuitive. Still, for guys who want precision, safety, and premium features, this is an excellent all-in-one solution, and it even comes with a travel case and lock, making it great for frequent flyers. If you prefer something minimalist and gentle, the Philips Norelco OneBlade Intimate is a brilliant option. It's compact, lightweight, and specifically engineered for grooming below the belt. What sets it apart is the guardrail blade system, which shields the skin while trimming, making it ideal for guys with extra sensitive skin. It doesn't shave quite as close as a foil blade, but it gives a nice, clean look while dramatically reducing the risk of cuts or irritation. What really stands out is how quiet it is. You can use it in a shared bathroom or during a quick lunch break cleanup. Nobody will know what's going on. It's also waterproof, has a rechargeable battery, and fits naturally in the hand. The trade-off? It's not the best tool for dense or super coarse hair. And if you're aiming for that fully smooth finish, you'll likely need to follow up with a foil shaver. But for quick touch-ups, maintaining a neat trim, or if you're just getting started with grooming, this is a safe, reliable pick you'll probably stick with long-term. Up next, Happy Nuts the Ballber. Okay, the name might make you laugh, but this trimmer is all business. Designed with an angled head and ceramic blade, it's perfect for reaching awkward or hard-to-see spots comfortably. It's especially good for guys who don't want to fumble with bulky devices in delicate areas. You get up to 90 minutes of battery life, it fully recharges in about an hour, and it includes 2 trimming guards for adjustable length. Here's the catch: it's not waterproof. That means it's strictly for dry use, and you'll want to make sure your skin is clean and fully dry to avoid any friction. Still, it's incredibly travel-friendly, super quiet, and easy to grip. For guys on the go, whether it's business travel, gym bag grooming, or just quick maintenance, the Ballber is fast, efficient, and won't weigh down your gear. Let's move on to one of the best value options on this list, the Manspot Hair Finishing Trimmer. It's not as flashy as the premium names, but don't let that fool you. This trimmer delivers 6,000 RPMs, has a ceramic anti-cut blade, and is fully waterproof, making it safe for both wet and dry grooming. One feature I genuinely appreciate is the textured anti-slip grip, which gives you full control, even if your hands are wet mid-shower. You get 4 comb attachments for varied trimming lengths, and the 90-minute battery life puts it ahead of some more expensive models. Downsides? It doesn't come with a travel lock, so it's not ideal for tossing into luggage. Also, the matte finish can show fingerprints and moisture smudges, which is purely cosmetic but worth noting. Overall though, for guys who want solid performance without overspending, Manspot is easily one of the top bang-for-your-buck choices right now. If you want a trimmer that does it all, the OLOV Electric Groin Hair Trimmer is your multitasking hero. It includes replaceable ceramic blades, a nose hair attachment, USB docking station, and IPX7 waterproofing. That means you can use it in the shower, rinse it easily, and cover multiple areas: groin, chest, face, and even nose hair with just one device. The titanium blade guard adds an extra layer of safety for the pubic region, and the slightly curved shape helps maneuverability. It's not as refined or ergonomic as, say, the Gillette i7, but it's practical, durable, and handles a wide range of grooming tasks. Perfect for guys who want to simplify their grooming setup and don't want separate tools for every part of the body. Now, let's talk about the Gillette E7 Intimate Trimmer, a model that really focuses on comfort and confidence. It's designed with a slim, rubberized handle for better control, stainless steel blades with a protective skin guard, and comes with 2 guards, a charging base, and even a shower suction mount. A small but super useful detail if you like keeping it within arm's reach. The shave is impressively smooth, and while it doesn't have foil-level closeness, it does offer a skin-safe trim with very minimal irritation. Battery life is around 100 minutes, which is solid, though not class-leading. It's not built for nose or facial hair. This is a focus tool. But for groin and body grooming, especially in the shower, the i7 offers a low-stress, highly effective experience. Great for guys who want a reliable, brand-backed tool they can trust to work well every time. Last, but definitely not least, Meridian the Trimmer. This one's made for guys with sensitive skin who want an easy, no-drama grooming tool. It uses a ceramic blade, offers 90 minutes of runtime, is IPX7 waterproof, and runs at 6,000 strokes per minute. Enough power to cut through thick hair without tugging. Its design is minimal but highly functional. It's a bit bulkier than some of the other trimmers, but that added weight actually helps with stability. It comes with 1 adjustable guard, and cleaning is simple, just pop the head off and rinse. If razor burn, irritation, or post-shave bumps have been an issue for you, Meridian is probably your best bet. It's especially good for in-shower use and for guys who want a clean look with minimal skin stress. Still not sure which one's right for you? Let's break it down quickly to help you choose with confidence. If you're after the closest, smoothest shave, go with the Manscaped Lawnmower 5.0 or the Gillette i7. Both deliver excellent precision with skin-safe designs. Got sensitive skin and want to avoid irritation at all costs? Then the Meridian or Philips OneBlade Intimate are your safest bets. They're built to be gentle without sacrificing performance. If you travel a lot or need something that's compact and quick to charge, go for the Happy Nuts Ballber. Lightweight, efficient, and perfect for grooming on the go. Looking for a solid trimmer without breaking the bank? The Manspot gives you strong performance at a budget-friendly price. And if you want a do-it-all tool that handles everything from groin to nose hair, the OLOV is your all-in-one solution. Prefer grooming in the shower? Both the Gillette i7 and the Meridian are fully waterproof and ready for wet use. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your grooming style, skin sensitivity, and routine. No matter what you're looking for, one of these 7 will get the job done. Safely, comfortably, and with way less stress. You'll find all the product links in the description below. If this video helped you figure out the right fit, go ahead and give it a like. And make sure to subscribe for more honest, no-fluff reviews made to make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and take care down there.